Hey sis, did you wake up early today?
Yes, bro. I got up at 7 a.m.
Great. Let's sit down and have breakfast.
Sure, bro. What are we having for breakfast?
We're having scrambled eggs and toast. Have you finished your project?
Almost done, bro. I'll wrap it up after breakfast.
Perfect. After that, let's clean up the living room.
I will, bro. I'll tidy up and vacuum.
Thanks, sis. By the way, I found out there's a new movie releasing.
Yes, bro. I signed up for the advance booking.
Awesome. Our movie night will definitely pay off.
I can't wait, bro. I've been looking forward to it.
Me too. Have you thought about what you want to study in college?
Yes, bro. I'm looking into pursuing psychology.
That's interesting. Remember, hard work always pays off.
I'll give it my best shot, bro.
That's the spirit. Our cousins are coming over today.
That's nice, bro. I'll help out with preparing snacks.
Thanks, sis. You're really helpful.
No problem, bro. We're family.
By the way, have you thought of any summer trips?
Yes, bro. I'm thinking of going camping.
That sounds fun. Nature always helps us wind down.
Exactly, bro. I want to make the most of my break.
That's a great plan. Now, let's set aside time for a sibling day out.
I'm in, bro. Let's plan something exciting.
I'm glad you're up for it. Remember, we're always there for each other.
Thanks, bro. You're the best.
You too, sis. Let's spend quality time together soon.
Definitely, bro. Looking forward to it.
Did you catch up on the latest episode of our favorite show?
Yes, bro. I watched it last night.
Cool. Let's go out for a walk this evening.
Sounds good, bro. I'd love to get some fresh air.
Speaking of fresh air, have you cleaned out your closet recently?
Not yet, bro. I'll sort through it this weekend.
It's time to get rid of clothes you don't wear anymore.
I agree, bro. I'll also give away some to charity.
That's a thoughtful idea. Have you picked up a book from the library?
Yes, bro. I borrowed a mystery novel.
I know you love mysteries. Let's curl up with our books tonight.
Sounds cozy, bro. I'm up for it.
Oh, and have you spoken to our cousin lately?
Yes, bro. We caught up on the phone yesterday.
That's great. We should plan a meetup with the family soon.
Definitely, bro. It's been a while.
By the way, did you set up your new gaming console?
Yes, bro. I hooked it up and it works perfectly.
Awesome. Let's invite over a few friends for a game night.
That's a fantastic idea, bro. I'm sure they'll enjoy it.
I'm glad you're on board. Have you made up your mind about the concert?
Yes, bro. I've decided to go with some friends.
Sounds like a fun time. Let's meet up before the concert and grab dinner.
Sure, bro. That sounds like a plan.
Before we go, have you looked up the concert venue's location?
Yes, bro. I searched for it online, and I know where it is.
Perfect. It'll be a great night. Now, let's head out for some shopping.
Sounds good, bro. Let's check out the new store downtown.
Speaking of shopping, have you tried on the new clothes you bought?
Yes, bro. I put them on and they fit perfectly.
That's awesome. Let's stop by the bookstore on our way back.
Sure, bro. I've been wanting to pick up a new novel.
Great idea. I also found out about a movie marathon this weekend.
Sounds cool, bro. Let's sign up and enjoy some films.
Exactly. Let's set aside some time to relax and have fun.
I'm all for it, bro. Let's make the most of our free time.
I love our sibling outings. Have you come across any interesting books lately?
Yes, bro. I discovered a new series at the library.
That's exciting. I also picked up some snacks for our movie night.
Thanks, bro. You always think of everything.
It's all about teamwork. Have you thought of a gift for Mom's birthday?
Yes, bro. I'm thinking of baking her favorite cake.
That's a thoughtful idea. We'll also throw in a surprise party.
She'll be so happy, bro. She deserves it.
She does. And have you heard about the art exhibition downtown?
Yes, bro. I came across a flyer at the cafe.
Let's check it out this weekend. I'm sure we'll enjoy it.
Definitely, bro. We both love art.
We do. By the way, have you set up your new guitar yet?
Yes, bro. I got it ready and it sounds amazing.
Awesome. Let's jam out together later. I'll bring my keyboard.
That sounds like a plan, bro. I'm excited.
Me too. Music sessions with you are the best. Speaking of music, have you looked up the lyrics to that new song?
Yes, bro. I searched for the lyrics online and I've learned them.
Perfect. We can sing along together when we play it. Now, let's head out and explore the new park.
Sounds like a fun idea, bro. Let's make the most of the sunny day.
Absolutely. And have you figured out your plans for summer break?
Yes, bro. I'm thinking of interning at a local tech company.
That's a great opportunity. Hard work during the internship will pay off in the long run.
I hope so, bro. I want to make the most of the experience.
I'm sure you will. By the way, our favorite band is coming to town next month.
That's amazing, bro. I'll definitely get tickets for us.
You're the best. Let's meet up with our friends at the concert and have a blast.
Definitely, bro. It'll be an unforgettable night.
Unforgettable indeed. Have you looked into any volunteering opportunities?
Yes, bro. I'm considering helping out at the local animal shelter.
That's a noble choice. Remember, helping others pays off in more ways than one.
Thanks, bro. I believe in making a positive impact.
That's a great attitude. By the way, our favorite hiking trail is opening up again.
That's awesome, bro. Let's plan a hike this weekend.